care how big you are, you can't do a thing, Raven. I'm a human being. See, you're afraid of me. Okay, I'm gonna pet you now, Raven. Ow, 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 ow! Put me down!
Sam, you want the other army man? Here, you want him? You don't like those? You think I'm cheap? There you go, good boy. No, get up here. Come on, Sammy, get up there. There you go, good boy. Thank you, Sam. Birds are descendants of dinosaurs, and I think a lot of people don't understand them because they're so different than us. You know, they don't have eyes on the front of their faces, and they fly. They're warm-blooded, but they are totally different than us. Put it into perspective. If you think about like Sam being a descendant of the dinosaurs, if you think about like a human being the size of like the army man, right? And Sam is the size, you know, he's a dinosaur. And he's that big, it'd be like Tyrannosaurus Rex. If ravens were that big, we would be in serious we'd have problems because they would be doing that with us. They would not ask for permission, that's for sure. They would just do it, and we'd be running around the streets screaming. If this was the size of a human in comparison to like Tyrannosaurus Rex or something, you see that would be a problem. That would definitely be a problem. Sam has his own money. He does. He can buy his own stuff, so he doesn't really need birthday presents. Sam bought a TV the other day, didn't you, Sam? Sam told me the TV that he wanted, so I went and bought it for him with his own money. Right, Sam? You have your own money. That's right. So I went and bought the TV. Now it was $120 at Walmart, but I found it on Craigslist for $50, and then I charged Sam another $70 for me to go pick it up in my Honda Odyssey. He can't pick it up. It's a fair deal, right, Sam? Sam's got his own TV now.
ASMR with Sam the Raven.
It's Sam's birthday, and I have some presents for him. But before we do that, I want to clear something up. Some people are thinking, they're saying that I don't have a glass eye. I do, and it has nothing to do with Sam's very sharp beak. It has nothing to do with that. I don't know why I have to prove everything. See? That's a glass eye. Sam will take this if he has half a chance. He'll take it. That's much better. I still can't see out of it, though, because it's glass. Right, Sam? Sam, it's your birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday, Sam. Happy birthday. I got some presents for you. You want to see them? Hang on. Look at what I got you, Sam. Look at what I got you, Sam. You always wanted one of these. It's a microscope. Do you want that microscope? Look at that, Sam. That's yours. What do you think? You like that, Sammy? Do you like it? Dude, Sammy, you could do science projects with this. Yeah, it's a microscope. Put your eye up to it. See? See in there? You like that, right? You want to see what else I got you? Look at this. Look at what I got you. Army men. Those are little human beings That's right. You can rip their heads off. Do you want it? Here, I'll leave it right there. If you want it, you can have it. Let me see if I got some more presents for you. How about a pair of glasses? Would you like a pair of glasses? Happy birthday, Sammy. Happy birthday. Sam's not talking much today, even though it's his birthday. Do you want those? You don't want those? Oh, you do want those. What about the army men? Do you want me to take them out of the package? I'll take them out of the package, okay? Why don't you say hello? Say something to the idiots that are watching this.
Welcome.
You shouldn't say those words. Look at that. Look at that, Sammy. It's a little dude. You want that? See, that's what he would be doing if ravens were the size of dump trucks. He would have me in his mouth and he'd be torturing me and he'd be about to rip my head off.
Fuck you, Raven. You can't do a damn thing to me. I'm a human.